Bold Nanny, proud Sam Charlotte.
Brave Bogle, hopeful Gordon.
Visionary Gazi, strong Manley.
Dependable Bustamante.
Jamaica's national heroes built this nation, but what were they like when they were children and young adults? Excite your imagination and join the JIS every day during Heritage Week for fictional stories of our national heroes as children.
The school's headmaster tapped his fingers on a table, but he was otherwise still. Even his breathing was slow and low. A wave of warm air blew into the open-sided tent, and with it the chatter and laughter of the few hundred spectators who had come out to see the first renewal of the Jamaica Schools Championship at Sabina Park.
Sportsmaster, there are 3 events to go. Long jump finals, 100 yards finals, and the 4x100 yards relay. What are the points standing?
Overall, Headmaster, we are in 3rd place. The best we can do in the long jump is 3rd. And track captain Norman Manley will win the 100 yards. The best chance that we have of taking the championship home to Old Hope Road is to win the 4x100 relay. So, Headmaster, we need to field our very best sprint team.
How would you select the relay team, Manley?
Headmaster, I think I could run a leg.
Yes. That is a given assumption, Manley. Who else?
Scarlett on the first leg. He is fast, but he cannot chase. Beckford on the last leg. He flies when he gets the baton, but can also lose focus and drop the baton during a pass. I will run the 3rd leg and plant the baton in Beckford's hand.
And the 2nd leg, Manley, who will pass the baton to you?
Grant will complete the team, sir.
The slowest runner on the squad. Why do you not have the Class 2 champion, Penn, or our mile runner, Venables?
They're good, strong runners, Sportsmaster, but I don't know how they will perform in the relay.
Explain your reasoning, Manley. Penn and Venables have helped us to collect medals in cricket, shooting and boxing. They are always willing to serve. Why won't you have them on your team?
They did not come to training, Headmaster. Grant did. It is because of him we always had a full side to practice baton changes. It is fair that he gets the chance to represent the school today.
Son, the entire school community wants this win. They are depending on us to make the decision that will be in the best interest of that goal. But the final decision we will entrust to you as a captain of the school's track team.
Headmaster, I am motivated by my school's prayer. Create among us the spirit of comradeship and loyalty to one another. When we are called to rule, make us rule with justice. That is my guide for the decision to give Grant the 2nd leg, sir.
Call for the finalists in the 100 yards dash.
Manley, the old boys say that it is too close to play around with a victory. I know how to change baton with my brother. I can run the 3rd and you can do the 2nd leg. Penn, we can't distract the team now, gentlemen.
You're going to deliberately lose? And for what, Manley? To spite us? We were doing other activities for the school, and you know it. Don't play around.
Listen, guys, I have a race to run.
A national record. Manley, you ran the 100 yards dash in 10 seconds flat. It's official.
With one event left to go, the only chance of Norman's team winning the championship was to win the relay. The starter's gun found the Scarlet off the line first, just as he had promised. He ran a beautiful leg and handed the baton ahead of the others and safely into the hands of Grant. Although he had a good lead, and anyone watching could see that Grant put his whole heart into his duty, the legs of the other runners left him behind, but Grant plodded on, his eyes locked into those of his captain, Norman Manley, filling those unforgiving moments with every ounce of running effort he could muster. Norman hopped on the spot, willing Grant to press ahead. But when Grant entered the box, Norman in blind trust turned his back, leaving one arm outstretched, hand open. When the wooden tube landed solidly in his palm, Norman closed his fingers around it, activated his limbs, and focused on closing the vast distance that he had been given. When he passed the baton to Beckford, only 2 teams were left to pass. Nervously, the sportsmaster and the old boys added up the points. The last event was over, and they were in second place.
Ladies and gentlemen, your attention please. The judges have awarded 3 extra points for Norman Manley's new national record in the 100 yards dash. This makes them the champions of the meet.
Young Norman, come with me to accept the Olivia Challenge Cup. Your commitment to justice and to truth has given you victory. Young man, this is your championship.
You have just heard the fiction series Young Heroes, inspired by the national heroes of Jamaica. Young Heroes is written by Gwyneth Harold Davidson for the 50th anniversary of the Jamaica Information Service. Continue to celebrate the heroes and open new pages at jis.gov.jm/youngheroes.